First, draw a circle, which is the cranium. Draw a vertical line indicating the middle of the face. Cut the circle in half horizontally, which is for the placement of the eyebrows. Cut the top half between the top of the head and the brow line in half, which is the hairline. Now you do not need to write out these notes, it's just for your reference, but please feel free to if you learn better by writing things down. And with the guidelines down, we can start shaping the head. The chin is the same length as the top of the skull to the hairline, which is 1/4 of the skull. Draw 2 lines down the sides of the circle for the jaw. Now females are usually drawn with rounder jaws, giving them a cuter, youthful appearance. Now connect the jaw with the chin, and the chin can be pointy or rounded depending on your style. And with the head shape done, we can now start with the facial features. Let's go from top to bottom, starting with the eyebrows. Female characters generally have thinner eyebrows. This can be drawn just as a simple curved line or a bit thicker like so. As for the eyes, they are usually big, maybe even taking up half the face like in many shoujos if you want that style. Bigger eyes are usually seen as cuter, but be careful not to make the eyes bigger than half the face. Again, think of shoujo mangas, and one manga I was really into when I was younger called Pixie Pop, or even Fruits Basket and Cardcaptor. Now draw the eyelashes. You can vary with how dramatic you want your eyes to look. For a simple look, just add 1, 2, or 3 thin eyelashes. Bottom lashes are optional, but just like putting on false lashes, more and thicker eyelashes look more dramatic. Moving down to the nose, which is at the bottom of the circle. Females are generally drawn with smaller noses. There are many ways to draw noses. I usually just draw a dot. The mouth is halfway between the nose and chin. And the ears are from the eyebrows to the bottom of the nose. And we're done the face. I didn't explain drawing hair because that would probably be another tutorial, but basically the hairline is where bangs fall from or where you can see hair sweep up from. Otherwise, that's all for now. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!